Hi guys, this is Prashant here from prashantpacha.com. In this video, I am going to do a detailed review about Six Figure Biz. Well, this product was created by one of an all-time affiliate marketer who is Mosh Barry. In a nutshell, what this Six Figure Biz is all about? Well, it is a software, cloud-based software, which is also in business in bots. It contains traffic. You can gain traffic with YouTube, and also you can sell that traffic in Fiverr or an Upwork or some of the network places. And the last thing is you will be having a sales page with affiliate links, products which you can promote alongside Six business figure to earn a good amount of commission. So if you are interested in gaining traffic, because traffic is an important factor when you come to the marketing part to gain some money. So if you are interested in traffic, and also if you are interested to promote some of the affiliate offers from Warrior Plus along with Six Figure Business, then this is the right product for you. You can check the product in the first link in the description below, so that you will be reaching out to my bonus offer, because if you are going to buy this Six Figure Business, I will be throwing my custom made bonuses too. So what are the bonuses which will be available if you buy Six Figure Business with my link? My bonuses will be expired after 3 days in 15 hours. So make sure you click one of this green color button to redirect to the sales page to get this offer. Well, this offer is like only $17 and it may rise upon after a few days. So make sure you buy this before these 3 days for $17 along with my custom made bonuses, which of nearly $500 of worth it. Well, my first bonus is 7 minutes sales mission. Well, this product was designed by Jono Armstrong, who is also an high ticket marketer, and this 7 minutes sales mission will give you detailed videos and trainings how you can earn money with CPA training. I will be giving you full course access, from front end to all the way to the upsells for only 24 hours. So make sure you buy this with my link before this bonus expires. My second bonus is about 3 traffic sources. Best 3 traffic sources. With the Six Figure Business, you will be already getting and training how you can gain traffic with the YouTube. I will also showing you the 3 best traffic sources which I have been using to get traffic. You can also use that alongside with the Six Figure Business. Well, my third bonus is about 30 high quality bonuses. As I said, this software, Six Figure Business software, has sales page also, right? So that you can promote the product from Warrior Plus. If you are going to promote a product in the Warrior Plus, you need to entice your product with some of the good offers along with the bonuses, so that you can entice your customers to buy it from you. So I am giving you 30 plus high quality bonuses to use it with the Six Figure Business. Well, my fourth bonus is all about Shopify. You will get access to my personal case study how I can able to make $50,000 with Shopify store. And last but not least, it is about the vendor bonuses you will be getting from Mosh Barry, who is the creator of Six Figure Business itself, in the membership site, in the product. Let's see what this product is all about and also the demo of the Six Figure Business. Well, this is the Six Figure Business cloud-based software. So as you can see, it contains a training page where you will be getting all the training how you can extensively use this Six Figure Business cloud software. First one is about a dashboard. In this dashboard, you can view the channels and comment, replies and subscription. In the sense, you need to add your own channel to this Six Figure Business cloud-based app or your client channels if you are going to offer this service as an service in an Fiverr or in an Upwork, because you can make this as a service. You can make this as a service because you will be getting an agency right along with it. So next is about social accounts. Social accounts. Here you can import the channel. You can just need to click the import channel button and you can import your own channel or the client's channel. And next one is about Google settings. Google settings is about the things which you need to set it up before going through this part. Well, you will have the videos about how you can set it up, this homepage, privacy terms of conditions, and Google authentication redirect URL. So you can check the training page how you can set it up. Next one is about channel manager. Well, channel manager in the sense, as you can see, there is a like and comment campaign, subscription campaign, video manager, playlist, and upload videos. Well, you can upload the videos directly here from here to your YouTube channel. And playlist manager, the same thing, you can create the playlist. Next one is about video managers to see the videos which are in your channel or your client's channel. And here is the important thing, which is of comment campaign and subscription campaign. I already told you, you can offer a service in Fiverr and in some of the other networks, right? So what are those services? As you can see, if I go to Fiverr and I searched for YouTube, you can see I will help get more subscribers for your YouTube channel. And you can also create some of these gigs like it, whether they're like I will help you create subscribers, get more subscribers, or I will comment on your channel like 50-60 comments, because the comments and likes are the ones which will boost their engagement in the YouTube channel to get more ranking for your video, because engagement is the most typical thing. So you can set up the campaign for your own video, or a subscription campaign for your video, or for your client videos, which you will be getting the client from the Fiverr if you put the gigs on the Fiverr and some of the networks. So this is how you can able to sell the service as an traffic to the other guys, to your customers or clients, because you will be getting with the license rights to do that. And next one is about template manager. Well, template manager is like you can create an auto reply template, because if you received 60 comments for your particular video, then you need to reply to them on the 60 comments itself, because on those reply will be boosting the engagement with the comments for that particular video, so that it will rank on the YouTube. So instead of going to reply to them on particular basis, you can just set up the auto reply template where you will be replying automatically with that. So these are the campaigns and automation tools for setting up for your client or your own channel. Next one is about search engine. In the search engine, you can search for videos, channels, and playlist for you to find it. And next one is about keyword finder, which will be helpful for you to find the right keywords to target, because finding the right keywords and targeting the right audience is the most important thing in the YouTube field to grow for your particular channel or for your client channel. So that is an important thing which you will be getting it for you once you purchase this 6-figure business. And next one, if you come here, it is an auto reply. As I mentioned before, it is same as like replying for your campaign. You can see the campaigns and you can also download those, and you can send it to your clients and customers, like which have already fulfilled your order, like something like that. You can create the campaign, auto reply campaign here. So next one is about rank tracking. Rank tracking in the sense, once you have uploaded the video, you will be ranked at the bottommost, like 10 or 15th in the rank of your, if you search for in YouTube. But once you have optimized for your SEO and you have gained some enough, so that you will getting an enough boost in the engagement, so your video will be ranking at the top 5 or top 3. You can check those video ranking here. So next one is about link wheel. It is also something like a video link for your own channel or to some of the social links, so that you will get a social boost along with in promoting in Facebook, Twitter, or some of the social media. So it is like a boost for your video. And last but not least, it is the best important thing which is in the 6-figure business, which I already mentioned here. It is like a user manager. You will be having your own user in here. You can also create it, and after creating your user, you just need to go for sales page. In this sales page, you will be getting the sales page for this particular 6-figure business. In the sense, you can promote this 6-figure business sales page to gain income. You are getting traffic from YouTube. You can also use this as a service to promote in Fiverr. And not only that, you will be getting a sales page for 6-figure business for you to promote. You just need to give the site name, choosing the logo and favicon and the buy button. Buy button will be your Warrior Plus link for you to merge it here. Once you merge it here, you can just directly promote it. So that's it in this product of Six Figure Business. So let's see the sales page of this Six Figure Business. Well, this is the sales page of the Six Figure Business. It is like struggling to make money. You are one step away from your own six-figure software. Business in bots. No experience needed, no technical skills, no hosting, no domain required. It is a beginner-friendly method because it has three things which you needed. One is YouTube traffic, and another one is your own business model, which you can set it up in Fiverr or some other network so that you can provide services to the customers. And next one is a sales page design for you to promote this six-figure business to earn some commission with it. As you can see, these are the commission report which has been made by Mossbury and his team. So you can go through this sales page on your own as of right now. So let's see the OTOs and the main important features of this six-figure business. Well, so what is six-figure is all about? Well, you will need three things to make money online. One is digital product, high converting sales page, and traffic. A digital product in the sense you will be getting a cloud-based SaaS software, which I already showed you in the video. It is six-figure business, cloud-based software. Next one is an high converting sales page. This high converting sales page is also available for you there, which is of six-figure business sales page, and also traffic. Traffic you can avail it from the YouTube also, because you will be having a training on how you can make sure to get traffic from the YouTube. So it is like an 3-in-1 business bots. Customers are getting everything which is personally used to make six-figure per month. A complete on-demand automatic traffic generating cloud-based software, ready-made high converting sales page, user rights, agency rights, nothing to download or upload. It is completely cloud-based software, and it is a newbie friendly. As you can see, the front end is only of $17, and which may rise up in the after 3 days or 4 days somewhat. So make sure you buy this six-figure business before 3 days so that you can also avail my bonus. OTO one is about $39. It is an unlimited version of this six-figure business software. Well, if you are going to make videos and you are going to make it as an offer in Fiverr so that you can give away services, then this is the right one for you to go for unlimited, because you can promote traffic and you can gain traffic in an unlimited factor, and it is of only $29. And next one is about 100x conversion booster. In the sense you will be converting this six-figure business, how you can gain it in an extensively manner, not going in a slowly manner. You can boost it in to go it in a fast track way for only $77. Next one is about unlimited traffic. Well, traffic is an utmost thing for you to gain sales in this affiliate marketing business, so it is utmost important. So if you are willing to know more about traffic method, then you can go for unlimited traffic, which is of $37. And fourth upsell is about six-figure business all-in-one marketplace, well, which is of $77. And last but not least, it is the reseller rights of six-figure business for $67, where you can resell this product as your own to get 100% commission with it. Next one is about Gold Miners Cup, which is of $39. And last but not least, it is a white label rights for the softwares for you to promote, or you can give it away for $399. So here are some key factors you may be interested in getting this six-figure business, because it is beginner friendly, no need of experience, no need of technical knowledge. It is a 3-in-1 business bots, because you will be getting traffic and offer to promote, and also you can sell it as a services in Fiverr or some of the networks. It is like a 3-in-1 business in bots. Next one is about complete and ready-made to make money. So you don't need to upload, or you don't need to do any critical stuff for you. It is already completed and ready-made for you to make money. And no questions asked, money back guarantee, 100% safe investment. Finally, you can make money without any of the frustrations. So if you are interested in purchasing this 6-figure business which of only $17, then go to the first link in the description below to avail that. And my customer bonuses will be available only for 3 days, so make sure you click this green button for before 3 days. You will be redirected to Moshberry's sales page. This is the sales page. You can go through your own time. You can buy it from here. So what are the custom made bonuses? Let's see once again the custom made bonuses which I will be giving it to you if you are willing to purchase with my link, which is in the first link in the description below. Well, first one is about 7-minute sales mission. This product has crossed nearly like 3000 plus sales. In the sense 3000 members has been bought this 7-minute sales mission, which tells you an extensive training how you can promote the CPA offers and get money with it. And not only that, it is available only for 24 hours, so make sure you avail before that. And my bonus number 2 is all about 3 traffic sources which I am particularly using to make money online for me. You will be getting this 3 best traffic sources which is only limited to me. I will be showing it to you. And my third bonus is about 30 plus high quality bonuses to give away with 6-figure business. Once you get the 6-figure business, you will be having the sales page to promote the 6-figure business, right? So you need some kind of bonuses to entice your customers to buy it from you. So I will be giving you 30 plus high quality bonuses which you can use it for your product to promote it. And fourth bonus is all about Shopify. I will be giving you an extensive case study of how I can able to make 50,000 with a Shopify store. And last but not least, it is about the vendor bonuses which you will be getting it from Moshberry, the vendor itself. So if you are interested in making money with this done for you business in bots software, cloud-based software, then go through the first link in the description below to come to this page, where in turn you will be redirected to the sales page to buy it only for $17. Well, that's it in this video. If you are interested in making money online or an product review which I am going to make in the future, then just subscribe to my channel and like it. If you have any questions, just give it in the comment. I will be replying it to you. Well, that's it in this video.